Most men today are completely controlled by lust, and many of them don't even realize it. You scroll, you stare, you fantasize, you release, and then you wonder why you feel weak. You lack motivation, you can't focus, you don't feel like the man you know you're supposed to be. Well, let me say something that might sting a little bit. You don't have a porn problem. You have a brain that's been trained to see everything through a sexual lens. Every woman you look at becomes an object. Every moment becomes an opportunity for stimulation. And your mind becomes a prison that you cannot escape. But here's the truth. You can rewire this. You can take your power back. You can become a man who's no longer controlled by lust. And in today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm giving you a complete 30-day plan to do exactly that. This is not theory or motivation, but it's a step-by-step system that if you follow this, your brain will change, your discipline will grow, your identity will begin to shift. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Riss, host and founder here. And for the last 6 years, it has been our mission to help men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, rewire their brains, rebuild their identities, and step into a life of freedom. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, turn those post notifications on. But let's get into this. Now, before we get into the plan, you need to understand what's actually happening inside your brain. Because if you don't understand the problem, you'll keep trying to fight this the wrong way. Most men think, I need more willpower. That's wrong. This is not a willpower issue. This is a dopamine conditioning problem. Your brain has been trained through years of porn, social media, and hypersexual content to crave novelty, intensity, and instant reward. This is what researchers refer to as the Coolidge effect. Your brain is wired to seek new sexual partners. And porn hijacks this system. Unlimited novelty, unlimited access, unlimited stimulation. So what happens? Your dopamine baseline drops. Real life begins to feel boring. Real women don't excite you the same way, and your brain keeps demanding more. This is why many guys will say, I stop for a few days, but then I go right back, because they never rewired the system. They just tried to suppress it, and suppression doesn't work. You don't beat this by resisting harder. You beat this by changing the environment, the inputs, and the identity of the man. Now let's make this real for you, because this isn't an issue about porn. This is about the kind of man that you become. If you don't get control of this, here's what's happening. You'll lose focus. You'll lose drive. You'll lose your confidence. You start avoiding real life challenges because your brain is used to easy dopamine. You start struggling in relationships because your expectations are distorted. And for a lot of men, this leads into things like porn-induced erectile dysfunction, where you literally cannot perform sexually in real life because your brain has been conditioned to pixels instead of reality. But the worst part, you become a man who cannot trust himself. You'll say you'll stop and then you don't. You'll say you'll change and then you don't. This destroys your identity. And once a man loses trust in himself, everything else begins to fall apart. So what we're about to walk you through isn't optional. This is necessary. It isn't random. This is structured because your brain changes in phases. So we break this 30-day plan into 4 parts. Phase 1 is a detox, days 1 to 7. You must break the addiction cycle. Phase 2 is a reset, days 8 to 14. You must stabilize your brain. Phase 3 is rewiring, days 15 to 21. You must replace the habit. And phase 4 is rebuilding, days 22 to 30, where you become a new man. Each phase we walk you through builds upon the last. If you miss a phase, you weaken the system. Follow it through completion, and you change your life. Now let's go through this phase by phase, starting with phase 1, the detox, days 1 to 7. This is where most men underestimate the process. They think they can just ease into it. No, you cannot. You need to go to war here because your brain is addicted to stimulation. So here are the non-negotiable rules. No porn, no masturbation, no sexual content. And let me be clear, this includes Instagram models, TikTok thirst traps, YouTube clickbait, because your brain doesn't know the difference. Stimulus is stimulus. So step 1, digital detox. Day 1, you clean house, you unfollow, delete, block. If it triggers you, it must go. You don't need more discipline. You need fewer triggers. Step 2 is cold exposure. Cold showers daily. Why? Because you're training your brain to handle discomfort without escaping. That's the skill that we're focusing on building. Step 3 is a physical output. You need to move your body. lift, run, train, because sexual energy is energy. If you do not channel it, it will control you. Step 4 here is emergency protocol. When urges hit, you must move immediately, not in 5 minutes, not after one more scroll. Immediately get up, breathe, do push-ups, leave the room, change your environment. You must break the pattern. What you'll feel through this phase is stronger urges, restlessness, and irritability. Good, because that's the withdrawal that we're seeking. That means that it's working. Now, once we move into phase 2, this is the reset days 8 to 14. This is where most men quit, because now you hit what a lot of researchers and recovery communities will call the flatline. Your energy drops, your motivation dips, you begin to feel off. This has been described in research and popularized by educators like Gary Wilson. Your brain is recalibrating its dopamine system. Step 1 here in phase 2 is to control your imports. No more mindless scrolling, no more cheap dopamine, because that's what keeps this loop alive. Step 2 is to build some eye discipline. Stop checking women out. This is huge, because every glance feeds the pattern. You don't desexualize your brain if you keep sexualizing everything you see and look at. Step 3 here is thought interruption. Lustful thoughts come in, you must cut them off immediately. And you redirect to your mission, to your goals, to something higher. And step 4 here is beginning to structure your day. Idle time will be your enemy. You need morning routines, work blocks, evening shutdowns, because chaos leads to relapse. By day 15 and through 21, we move into phase 3, which is the rewire. Now we shift, because you can't just remove lust, you must replace it. Step 1 here is to find your target. What are you building and working towards right now? Your brain needs direction. If you don't give it purpose, it will default to pleasure. Step 2 is to focus on skill acquisition. Channel that energy into business, into fitness, into leadership. This is where men will start to feel powerful again. Step 3 is to get plugged into brotherhood. You should not be doing this alone. Isolation is where this addiction will live. Accountability is where it goes to die. And step 4 is stack wins every day. You prove to yourself, I'm a man who follows through. This is how your identity changes. What you'll notice at this point is more clarity, more energy, more control. You'll become dangerous again. Now we wrap this 30-day setup with our phase 4 here. This is the rebuilding, days 22 to 30. Now is the time to lock in. This is no longer about quitting porn. This is about becoming a man who doesn't need it. Step 1 is write out an identity statement every single day. I don't negotiate with lust. I am disciplined. You must reinforce the man that you're becoming. Step 2 is raise your standards. Raise them in work, in women, in life, because you don't go back to what you used to tolerate. Step 3 is begin to learn to delay gratification. Doing hard things daily. Train your brain to earn its rewards. And step 4, focus on your future vision. Who are you becoming? 90 days, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years out. Because if you don't define it, you will begin to drift backwards. Now, what happens 30 days? Well, if you follow through on this, here's what changes. Your mind gets more clear. Your focus sharpens. Your confidence returns. You feel in control again. And for many men, their attraction to real women will begin to improve, because the brain is no longer fried by overstimulation. Now, I want you to lean in and listen here, because you cannot try to do this alone. Most men do, and most men fail. Not because they're weak, but because they're isolated. This is exactly why I've built the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood, to provide daily structure, to give you daily accountability, to give you daily support. And if you're interested and serious about becoming the man you know you're called to be, start by joining us inside the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood on School with a free 7-day trial. If you visit school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life, or click the link down there in the show notes below, you can start for free for 1 week. No excuses, a 30-day plan to rewire your brain, to overcome lust, to begin to desexualize your life, and see what kind of man you can really become. Join us in the school community, school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life. And brother, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.